Upgrading your fridge? Grab your tape measure to find your perfect fit. Here's how. First, measure your fridge cavity. Next, check the proportions of your new fridge. And finally, measure your entry points. First, your fridge cavity. Measure and note the distance from top to bottom, side to side, and back to front. Not all fridge cavities are perfectly square and level, so be thorough. It's best to measure each dimension at 3 points: top, middle, and bottom. You don't want your new fridge to overheat, so account for some breathing space. At least 5 centimetres on each side, 10 centimetres on top, and 5 centimetres at the back. Don't forget to check the manufacturer's guidelines on your favourite fridge for the most specific recommendations. Now you know how much space you have, it's time to find a fridge that fits. At The Good Guys, you'll find sizes listed online and clearly displayed in store. But consider more. For example, how much extra space is required to open the door? For single-door fridges, don't forget to check which side the door swings open. A model with reversible doors works in any space. And for side-by-side and French door fridges, make sure there's enough space on both sides for easy access. Just remember, fridge doors need to open to 90 degrees so you can fully access drawers and slide-out shelves. So make sure there's at least 5 centimetres of extra space on the side of every door. And a fridge is no good without power, so make sure there's room to plug it in. A plumbed fridge will need space for a tap too. And finally, don't forget to measure your entry points. Your new fridge needs to get into the kitchen. Work out the most direct route and then measure doorways, hallways, and take note of obstacles and tight turns. It might be simpler to bring your fridge in through the back or side entrance. Ready to go shopping? Let's cover that checklist one more time so you'll nail the perfect fit. Measure your fridge cavity. Check the dimensions of your new fridge. Consider the space needed for the door to open fully. Consider the area in front and to the side of your fridge. Leave space for plugs and plumbing. Plan and measure the easiest route to your kitchen. Now, you're ready to pick your perfect fridge at The Good Guys. The Good Guys are here to help. Visit us in-store or online.